How to rebuild sexual tension without talking about sex. Stop talking about sex. Stop asking for it. You don't get desire back by begging. You build it by changing your energy. Here's how. Look better. Get in shape. Dress sharp. Smell good. Attraction starts with presence. Lead again. Women follow confidence. Plan something. Decide where to go. Take control without asking for permission. Touch her right. Light, calm, confident, not needy. Touch her shoulder, her waist, her back, then walk away. Leave her thinking about it. Be unpredictable. Don't always talk about routine or problems. Make her laugh, tease her, remind her you're still the man she fell for. When you bring strength, calm, and mystery, she'll feel it. Desire comes back when she starts wanting you again. This is Marriage Fix for men. Stop talking about it. Start leading again.